All right, what we're going to do is we're going to change the brake pads on a 2008 Subaru Outback. Just going to speed up the process of getting the wheel off, and then we can get into the nitty-gritty. I like to put the wheel under here just in case the car were to fall down or something. This is the caliper. Got two bolts, one here and one here. On the Subaru they're a 14mm bolt, so we'll just loosen these, loosen this one just a little bit, go down and loosen this one. This one, and off she goes. Okay, so this is what puts pressure on the pads. Pads are real thin. They're down to the bottom there. So just had to replace the pads before it started hurting the rotors. Pop this one off. See, they're very thin, if you can see that. Next we have the new pads. Obviously a lot of braking on there. These come with this little clip. Helps you place it in there. Brake pad number 2 is here. Okay. So because the pads were thinner, these pistons pushed out a bit, so I need to push them back in because it won't fit because of the thickness of the new pad. So I'm not sure if this is the right way, but this is what I do. I take channel locks and I gently, just get my other hand here, I gently squeeze them in slowly, the hydraulics in, and then I do this one slowly. The other one will push out too, but you just do it one by one, and then just making sure they're all the way in. For a little bit, pushes them in. Now that this is the proper distance away, I can easily slip this on, line up the two holes where the bolts go in. In fact, I'll put this one in first up top. Put this in finger tight. And we have this one. Get this lined up too. Finger tight. Then it's just a matter of tightening them up. Make sure they're real good and tight. One. And this one. Make sure it's real good and tight. And that right there is a brake pad change up for a 2008 Subaru Outback. Now, what in the world are these pieces left over?